Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Pacetti. Today we are going to make a rainbow leprechaun hat. Are you ready? Let's do it! For today's activity, you will need the green, black, and yellow page from in your weekly bag. You will also need the rainbow pieces from in your bag, and scissors and glue. For step 1, we are going to cut out our leprechaun hat. So we'll need our scissors and our green hat. So make sure your thumb is in the smaller hole and your next 2 to 3 fingers are in the bigger hole, okay? And remember, as you're cutting, we want to try to have your cutting hand straight and you're using your other hand to turn the page. All right, see how I'm using my left hand here to turn my green page, and my cutting hand stays straight the whole time. All right, please pause your video so you can cut out your leprechaun hat. For step 2, we will need our black half sheet of paper. It's kind of hard to see because the black lines are on black paper, but we have a long rectangle and a small square. Please cut out those 2 pieces. I'm going to speed my cutting up a little bit. In step 3, we will need our yellow half page with our yellow square. Please cut out the yellow square. If you are still cutting out your yellow square, please pause the video. If you're ready, it's time for step 5. And here we're going to build our leprechaun hat. So first we need our rectangle. Which shape here of these 3, let me move the hat, which one is a rectangle? Yes, this one, a nice long rectangle. So this is going to be, it's going to go right here on our head. It's going to be like a long ribbon or like a belt, okay? On top of the hat. So get your glue out. All right, and we are going to glue down this black rectangle right here. Once your black rectangle is glued down, we will need our yellow square. This will go next. And the yellow square is going to go on top of the rectangle, just like that. All right, so use your glue. We put it right on top of the black rectangle. Our last part for step 5 is we are going to put our small black square right on top of the yellow one, and it makes a buckle. All right, so make sure you're putting glue on the back and put your square right on top of the yellow square. Good job, everyone. For our next step, we are going to make our rainbow. So let's put our leprechaun hats to the side for now, and we are going to use our pieces to make a rainbow. So the first color in our rainbow is going to be red. So find your red. Nice. Next is orange. Then we have our yellow, green, blue, and purple. Let me scooch these over so you can see them all. So please pause your video to make sure your rainbow is set up just like mine. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. In this step, we are going to connect our rainbow to our hat. So there's a few different ways. If I notice here, my rainbow's a little bit bigger, so we can overlap them a bit, okay? So you can have your rainbow going straight down, okay? Or if you want to have your pieces coming out, you could do it like that too. I'm going to have mine go straight down. So I'm just going to overlap my pieces a little bit. All right, or if you would like to cut them some, you can do that too. Okay. And I'm gonna put my orange underneath. And my red under there. All right, let's see. Now, do they all fit in the hat? Oh, perfect. All right, now, keep your rainbow pieces here. We're gonna put the glue on the back of our hat and then flip it over. All right, so let's glue the bottom part of our hat. And put that right on top of our rainbow. There we go. Our leprechaun hat and our rainbow. Very nice job. Now, I forgot to mention this supply when we started our video, but please get a crayon, a pencil, a marker, something to write your name, because we're going to flip over our project and put your name right here. So if you need to look at your sign-in sheet to write your name, that is perfect, but we want to make sure everyone is writing their name. Good job. I had so much fun making a rainbow leprechaun hat with you. I hope you had fun too. Please make sure you turn in your rainbow leprechaun hat next Monday. We're going to hang them up. See you next time, boys and girls.